Hallie. Whoa.
Hallie.
Hallie, right here. Come here. Hallie, right here.
Here.
Hallie.
Here, Allie. There's one right here.
Look.
Hallie.
We'll go grab her hand.
John, did Lauren get one of these?
Allie. Oh, nope, there's her friend. She's going back to
Hallie, you stepped on that egg.
Hmm?
Oh, they look dead top names on them too, but ignore them. I mean, you can take those.
Well, honey, take her hand.
That's your egg.
Here, let's walk over here to this
Dave,
one.
if you don't pick your own egg, you don't get the good
Right here.
inside.
I'm helping the kids.
Right here. Look.
This
Right
is mine.
here's the egg.
Stiff one.
Yep, pick it up
Mine.
and stick it in your basket.
Run!
Good job. Stick it in here.
So does that count as Dave?
You put it in the bucket.
Stick it in the basket.
Stick it in the bucket.
Hey!
You get all
I
over
got
your
your
shirt.
bucket right here.
Stick it in the bucket.
Ooh, here, crack it for Grams.
Here, you want to go? You want to hold on to
It's
those?
hard boiled
Okay.
anyway.
Harry, I found your candy egg.
Hey, well, Caitlin, what are you going to do? Walk right by and go, oh, I see your egg. Come here now.
Hallie,
I see your egg.
come here.
Allie, come here.
Hallie.
That can be yours. It can't be like no little kid.
Oh, shut up.
What's a pretty pink one? Yeah. Right here. Right there. You see it? Yep. Go pick it up. Go pick it up.
A fan of grass, I've noticed.
Yep, go ahead.
Hi. I gotta
Good
show you
job.
your picture up.
Good job. Here, you want to put it in the basket? Go ahead. Put it in your basket. Good job.
Good
You
job.
want to put your other one?
Justin!
Want to put your other one in there? Okay. All right.
Don't let her see Justin's.
Walk over by the telephone pole here.
Okay. Is there a real one in there?
Yeah, there's a real one on this side, and then this is mine. But watch the digger.
Allie, let's walk around the pointy thing. Right here. Look. Right there.
Come on in. Hallie.
Allie.
Come here.
Allie.
Come here, Munchkin. Up the hill. Oh, look at that.
Good job. Good job. Want to stick it in your basket? Go ahead. Stick it in your basket.
Where's Justin?
Oh,
His egg's over there.
Stick it in your basket.
We've made sure Hallie avoided it.
Good job. Okay. You want to stick any more in your basket? No, you want to hold them? Okay. Okay. Yep, let's go over here. Here. Here you go, Hallie. Oh, that one's pretty. Yep, pick that up.
I think to the creek.
Good job. Want to put that one in the basket? Oh, what's up with that one? It's cracked. Here, stick that in the basket. Good job.
Good job.
Hey, Hallie. Over
Oh,
here.
that's somebody's, not mine.
Oh, okay.
John!
Oh, there's one in the tree.
Where?
Oh, well, if Kelly's not
Ooh.
Bubbles is over there too.
They'll be down.
Okay. All right, Hallie.
I didn't take
I'm
it
not
from
sure
you. It's not
if there's
true.
any more over here.
No, I don't think so. I know where there might be another one.
You want to hold that one? Okay. Let's go. Let's follow Daddy, Callie. Let's follow Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy. I got that one.
Let's go following at Carrie. Well, cousin Carrie.
Hallie! Hurry! Mom, do I even have a money egg? Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, let's go get it, Hallie.
That's a nice painted egg. I know, that's
Here,
another one. Nice.
That
That must be an egg spinner or something.
Yeah, because there's a lot that look like that.
Oh, the ones with the swirls on them? Yeah, those were nice.
Sissy actually spun the egg and put the Q-tip up and down.
What did she spin it on?
I found Gabby's.
No. Gabby's at? Right there. You must pick
Cousin
it up.
Carrie sits
Hey,
somewhere
I
this
can-
way.
That's empty anyway.
Is it Carrie?
Let's go.
Here, you want to hold this one? This one's a lot
No,
lighter.
I
Put that in your hand.
this way.
What, did my daughter open her big mouth?
Oh, Carrie.
Carrie Jane. Oh, yeah, okay. That's next best.
I see free.
Free!
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see 4.
Mm-hmm.
I see 4.
Oh, this one's pretty. Look, right here. See it?
You're practically stepping on it.
Good job.
Go get
Want to stick
Tave.
that in there?
Go get Tave. There's one at
Like,
Tave.
no, I don't trust that
Go get
bastard.
Stick
Tave.
it in there.
Go get Tave.
Okay, let's go this way.
I
Go
can't
get
get the
Tave.
GQ pose. Come on, you know.
Oh, watch yourself.
Come on,
Don't you want one?
Look.
down here.
Tave.
Davey has more eggies.
Right here.
Over here, Hallie.
What is that?
Right here. Right here.
So, Doug, Renee, did you find your egg?
No.
No.
I didn't see theirs. Theirs aren't on this side.
Can you get it?
There's all Kelly's. And...
Tell me, tell it!
Well, they're
Go ahead.
here.
Secret! I know.
It's one for real.
Don't step on it. Right here, Hallie.
No, she wants to go up there with Tave. Yeah.
Pick it up.
Watch the fence, watch the fence, watch the fence.
It's not on.
Oh, I didn't know if it was.
Want to stick it in your basket?
I found an egg.
Oh, I was just going to put her up there to get that one.
Egg.
Way to go, Graceful.
Okay, go. Let that down. Because we got another
Here
one.
you go. Get it.
Can we hit it back again, Tara?
Oh, way to go, Mom. You crashed it.
Oh, it fell.
You knocked it down. Don't play with it.
Cracking it.
No,
Picked
not
up
pine
the pine
That's
cone.
not an egg. It's not quite as colorful.
Look, it's a pretty young one.
Look at her smiling.
Good job.
Yay!
Want to stick it in your basket? Good job.
You're getting the hang of it now.
Oh, in the tree.
Be free.
Oh, I see another one.
Pine cone. We were playing with pine cones the other day, weren't we?
Hallie, come here. And Cindy has something. Come here.
You want those in here too?
Hey, come here.
There you go.
Yeah, now she's gonna be all sticky. She's probably got pine stuff.
Run, 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 run.
Good job, Hallie.
You wanna put it in your bucket?
You want to put it in your basket, Hallie?
Started it with the pine
Here you go.
cone.
Stick her in your basket.
Good job.
We have to find Daddy's egg yet.
Oh, I didn't even see those yet.
I'll find it then.
Yep, go follow Carrie.
He hide it himself?
No.
No? Oh, so we hit those. My kids were moping the blues that they've never found the golden egg, so I figured everybody could have the golden egg. Everybody's a winner this year. Yeah, you don't get prizes for the most pine cones.
Who's picking
No
pine cones?
prizes for the most pine cones.
That one.
So you want to put them in your basket?
Where's that noise coming from?
That crow that just flew over.
What?
Crow that just flew over.
Good job.